how to set up auction on Whatnot. In this video, I'll show you how to exactly set up auction on Whatnot. I want to show you on mobile version. The desktop version is the same. So follow this step-by-step tutorial to know how to exactly do it. First, you have to open the Whatnot app, as you can see, and then you have to click on the plus icon you see bottom of the page that says sell. After click on that, we have three options: create a product, schedule a show, or seller hub. I want to show you the easiest and the fastest method, that is create a product. So click on that. After that, we see this page, create quality listing. You have to put some information here. The first one is obviously media. You have to upload the photo or video of your product. Then you have to choose the category. There are plenty of categories like trading card games, sports car, toys and hobbies, estate sales, storage units, anything you can actually imagine. After choosing the category, you have to input another details. For example, the category, for us is Pokemon cards. The title, you can actually use ChatGPT to give you the best title for Whatnot. You have to add a description. For example, you have to say the color of your product, the size of your product, the quantity of your product, anything like that. The condition, is it new or is it used or something like that. The language, the product type, or rarity. These are all options you have to input about your product. But the most important part of the video, if you scroll down, you see this pricing section. We have two options. One is buy it now, and the second one is auction. Buy it now is simple. You actually put a price, for example, $100 for a product, and the people actually buy it right away by just paying $100. No bidding, no auction, nothing like that. But if you click on auction, you see plenty of information you have to input. The first one is a starting bid. A starting bid is the first price. For example, I want to start a bid. I have to at least say it's $1. Imagine this. I want to sell this phone. This is a valuable product. I can't actually put the starting bid on $1. For example, I put the starting bid on $100, and the person who want to buy this at least have to bid $100 on this phone. So if you have a valuable product, don't put the starting bid low. I suggest you for Pokemon cards, put it on $5, $10, but for shoes, for laptops, put it on $20, $50 or something like that. The next option is sudden death. This means when you're down to 1 second, or the counter is down, the last person to bid wins. So this is a cool option. You can actually enable it. The next one is reserve for life. Turn this to make this product only purchasable within a show. You can actually purchase it on the page of your Whatnot store. So after putting this information and choosing what you actually want,